Hello everyone, myself Hassanul Ahmed, and like this Bihu vacation we planned for a small trip. It's a, you know, I will say it might be a small, but it is like the Mecca for all the bike riders. So it's none other than Spiti Valley that we have planned for. So we started yesterday from Bagdogra airport. I will say not yesterday, but day before yesterday, because day before yesterday evening we just got in the train, came to NGP, and yesterday we took a flight from Bagdogra to Delhi, and then from Delhi to Chandigarh, and from Chandigarh we just moved to Shimla. From Shimla we started the journey, and it was quite good. We enjoyed today, like at around 9:30 morning. It was a sunny morning, so we just started slow, and then we came up to Narkanda, and then from Narkanda we geared up as we were not in a mood to rush into the journey, but our entire solo motto was to leave each and every moment of the journey. So up to Narkanda we were just looking and just trying to accustom with the climate. From Narkanda we found it very very fantastic, so we just geared up. We came up to Saharan today, and in Saharan we are staying today in the guest house. This is by the Tourism Ministry of Himachal Pradesh under the district of Shimla. Shrikant is the name of the guest house over here, and it is actually most probably because of the small mountain that you can see at the back. So you can see the mountain, the snow covering mountain at the back, that is Shrikant. It's a holy place for especially the Hindu people, because they go for pilgrimage over there. So this particular guest house is also named after it, and we got a quite decent room. It was not decent, I'll say rather it is fantastic, as the entire, from the room we can see the entire view of Shrikant, the entire hilly area and others. So today we are planning to stay over here, and tomorrow we are going to one of the most interesting place, and that is Chitkul. Why we are so much fond of Chitkul is, like, we know that Chitkul is the boundary, I can say the large village of India, people refer it. So it's actually, it shares the border with Tibet, so Indo-Tibetan border. And IIT Delhi has gone for a study just 2 years back, and they have just in the studies they mentioned that Chitkul has the cleanest air in India. So so just because of this we are very much enthusiastic to go up to Chitkul, and not only that but also the off-road, my dear. So it will be little adventurous, as we will be doing off-roading. At the same time we are going to Chitkul for some clean air, you can say. And from Chitkul we will be heading towards Rekongpio, and then towards Nako, Tabo and all, and the final destination most probably, if I'm not wrong, would be Kaza, if everything goes on fine. So I believe he will wish us a safe journey, and this is the small introduction that I can give for the tour. So keep watching. Thank you.
Hello guys, it's me Abhijit Kalbia here, and we are going to the Bhima Kali temple, which is situated in the area of Saharan, Himachal Pradesh. It's a very ancient temple, and let's find out how old it is and how it looked like. Hey guys, we have just entered the Bhima Kali temple of Saharan. I'm going to enter it. चलिए